number. On the board you have 169 and you will be multiplying this 3-digit number with 5. So as usual we will be starting from ones place. So I need to multiply 9 with 5. So 9 into 5 is nothing but 9 5s are is 45. Right? So in this I will be writing 5 in ones place and I will be carrying 4 to tens. Okay? Then again I will be multiplying, moving on to tens place, I will be multiplying 6 with 5. So 6 into 5 is nothing but 30. Right? And I need to add 30 tens with 4 tens over here plus 4. The answer is 34 tens. Right? And this 34 tens can also be written as 3 hundreds because I will be carrying this 3 to the hundreds place. So 3 hundreds plus 4 tens. So I will be writing this 4 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place as carry. So 3 over here. Now I will be moving to the hundreds place. So I need to multiply 1 with 5. So 1 into 5 is nothing but 5 and 5 plus 3 hundreds plus 3 is equals to 8 hundreds. So I will be writing this 8 over here. So when we multiply the 3-digit number 168 with 5, I will be getting the answer as, or the product as 845. So now you understood, right, how to forward carry the numbers from ones place to the hundreds place. Next we will be taking a 4-digit number and I will be explaining you how to carry till thousands place. Now on the board you have a 4-digit example. So the number is 1243 and I am multiplying this 4-digit number with 7. So I will be starting from ones column or ones place. So in ones column I have the digit 3. So I will be multiplying the digit 3 with 7. So 3 into 7 is nothing but 21. Okay. Here I have 2 tens, 1 ones. Right? So I will write this digit 1 in the ones column over here and I will be carrying this 2 tens to the tens column over here. Right? Now I will be moving forward to the tens column. So in tens column I have the digit 4. So I need to multiply this digit 4 with 7. So 4 into 7 is nothing but 7 4s are as 28. Right? So again I have, now I will be adding 28 tens plus the carry of 2 tens over here. So the answer is 30. So this can be written as 300s because I will be carrying this 3 to hundreds column and I will be writing 0 in the tens column. So I will be writing 0 over here and I will be carrying 300s to the hundreds column. Next, I will be moving from tens column to the hundreds column now. So in the hundreds column I have the digit 2. So I will be multiplying this digit 2 with 7. So 2 into 7 is nothing but 14 hundreds as it is in hundreds column and I will be adding 3 which is a carry in the hundreds column plus 3 hundreds. Right? So it will be 17 hundreds. Right? 17 hundreds is nothing but again 1000 because I will be carrying this digit 1 to thousands column and it is 7 hundreds. Right? It is 700. So I will be writing 7 over here in the hundreds column and I will be carrying 1 to the thousands column. Now I will be moving on to the thousands column. So in the thousands column I have the digit 1. So I will be multiplying 1 with 7. So 1 into 7 is nothing but 7 thousands plus the 1 thousands which we need to add, which is a carry. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So the answer is 8,000. thousands. Right? So it is 8 over here. So when I multiply a 4-digit number, which is here 1243 with 7, along with its carry and all, I get the product as 8701. Okay, this is how you multiply a 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit number with regrouping. So there is an exercise after this in your textbooks. Please go through them. Thank you. Welcome to the class, children. Today we will be learning one more new concept in multiplication, that is how to multiply the numbers with 10, 100 and thousands. And if you multiply the number with 10, 100 and thousands, what would be the product? So first I'll start with 10. So when you multiply a number with 10, okay, so what would be the product? For example, if I take a number 7, okay, and I'll multiply this with 10. So what will be the answer for me? Okay, so here I can say that first you need to multiply the digits and simply add 0 to the digit. Here 7 ones are 7, right? So 7 I will be taking directly the digit and I will be adding 1, 0. So this is the answer when I multiply 7 with 10. So the product which I get from when multiplying 7 and 10 is nothing but 70. In a similar way, if I take a number 99, okay, when I multiply this with 10, then the answer is nothing but 99, the digit, and simply I am adding a 0. So this is how you multiply and get the product when you multiply a number with 10. Next, we will be going to 100. Now, we will be going to 100. So, what will happen? What is the answer or what is the product when you multiply a digit or a number with 100? Okay, so if I take a number 8, okay, I am multiplying this number with 100. So, for detailed explanation, I will be putting it like this so that it will be easy to understand. So, when I am starting multiplication, I will be starting from ones place itself. So 8 into 0 is again 0 and 8 into 0 is 0. Why I am getting 8 into 0 and 8 into 0 is only 0 and 0? Because in the previous videos you have seen that when you multiply a number with 0, the answer is 0. In a similar way, when I multiply 8 with 1, the answer is the number itself. So here 8 into 1 is 8. So whatever the number you multiply, you will be getting the same number with 1. So the answer is 8, 0, 0. So when I multiply a number with 100, I need to multiply the digits and also add 2 zeros to the product. So 8, 100 is the product of 8 and 100. So if I take one more example, that is 6 into 100. So the answer is 600. So simply I am multiplying the digit and I am adding 2 zeros to the product, right? So if I take 2-digit number, for suppose 97 into 100. So I will be getting 97 and then I am adding 2 zeros. Then the answer is 9700. Okay, so whatever the number of digits we take, when you multiply with 100 or 10, it is the same. If you are multiplying with 10, you are adding single zero. If you are multiplying with 100, you are adding 2 zeros. So this continues for 1002. We will be seeing some more examples when you multiply a number with 1000. Now we have on the board 1000. So now I will be teaching how a number when multiplied with 1000, the product occurs, right? So here if I take a number 5, okay, and I am multiplying with 1000, similar to hundreds and tens, here I will be multiplying the digit and then I will be adding 3 zeros to the product, right? So 5 ones are 5 and 3 zeros I am adding. So the answer is 5000, right? And now I will be taking one more example like 62. So if I multiply the 2-digit number 62 with 1000, okay, I will be getting 62. I will be multiplying the digit 62 and I will be adding 3 zeros. That is 62,000, right? So in a similar way, if I take a 3-digit number, 4-digit number or 5-digit number, etc., if I multiply it with 10 or 100 or 1000, what will happen? Simply, I will be multiplying the digit and I'll be adding the number of zeros depending upon the number you're multiplying, whether it is 10 or 100 or 1000. If it is 10, then I'll add only single zero. Okay, and if it is 100, I'll be adding 2 zeros. If it is 1000, I'll be adding 3 zeros. So this is how you multiply with tens, hundreds and thousands. Children, there is an exercise in your textbook after this concept. So please go through it and do practice it. Thank you. Welcome to the class, children. Today we'll be learning how to multiply and form tables. Okay, in the previous classes you have learned tables from 1 to 10. So in this class you will be learning tables from 11 to 20. So in the previous class you have multiplied 1 to 10 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with a digit 1, 2, 3 and up to 10 to form tables. Yes, in a similar way now we will be seeing 11th table. So on the board I have 1 to 10 numbers and I have into symbol, okay, multiplication symbol into, and I will be multiplying all these numbers with 11. So if I multiply 1 with 11, it is nothing but 11 itself. If I multiply 2 with 11, it is 22. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, if I multiply 3 with 11, it is 33. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are is 3. So 33 is the answer. In a similar way, I will be having 44, 55. If I multiply 5 with 11, it is 55. 6 with 11, it is 66. 7 with 11, it is 77. And 8 with 11, it is 88. And 9 with 11 is 99. And 10 with 11 is 110. So from this I can say that 11 ones are is 11. 11 twos are is 22. 11 threes are is 33. 11 fours are is 44. 11 fives are is 55. And 11 six is 66. 11 sevens is 77. 11 eights is 88. And 11's 9 is 99. And 11's 10 is 110. So in a similar way, in your textbook, you have tables from 11 to 20. After this, you can go through that page where there are tables, multiplication tables from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 20. And after going through tables, there is an exercise in your textbook where you can practice these multiplication tables. Thank you.